YouTube, this is Dawn, and I am here from Dawn from His Tithe, and I am here today to do a different planner layout. I am going to do the layout first and then add my scripture. I said planner layout. I'm sorry, my scripture writing. I am going to do the planning first and then come back and write my scriptures on it. So, not going to put too much, just going to make sure I have space. Sorry about that noise if that offends you. And this is from the Faith Illustrated Faith. Ladies stickers, African American, and this was a Tuesday morning, beginning of last year. So I have the leftover stickers from the last two layouts that I did using that. I'm just going to use some washi from my collection. I don't remember. I believe this is a Recollections washi. I think I'm going to go vertical this time. So I'm going to try my hand at it going this way. And hopefully I'm in frame. I apologize if I get out of frame. And then I think I want to want something a little thicker right there. Let's see, let's grab another washi. Not the same green. But I think I'm going to try it. Because it kind of goes along with the rest of the sentiments. And I think I'm going to stop it right there. Okay. And I'm going to put, no, it's too thick right there. And I don't want to cover that up yet because I don't know if I have enough room. And I just want to finish off this sheet if I can. So I'm going to put some corner stickers. I'm going to put them a little further out on the page. Another scripture I have on this day is a long scripture. And let's see, I think I'm going to do, I don't want to put anything on that. Yes, I think I'm going to cover up the days of the week on this one. I don't normally do that, but I think I am. Not being all technical. I'm just lifting it up with my fingers. Nah, I'll leave it without. I think I have ink on my hand. I just smeared some ink. Probably from when I was doing my planner page. So make sure your hands are clean. I still have ink on my hands. But anyway. Okay. So that's maybe put a piece there, and then don't want that there. I don't know. I guess so. I'm gonna put a corner piece right here. I think, and then I'm gonna put Calm My Heart right about in the middle of these two. Maybe I'll put it, because I don't need to have the dates per se, but I don't like that hanging out. So let's see, I think this is what I'm gonna do. Maybe put need something else up here. I don't know yet what I want to put there. Trying to think what else I want to add, but I know I am going to add some more stickers. But I think I want to write out my scripture first. So I'm going to come back, write out my scriptures, and then maybe add a couple more embellishments if needed to fill in. So I'll be right back. And then, wait, let me look at the show you up close. This is how it's looking right now. Very simple. And again, I'm going to have some space to write. So I'll come back after I write the scripture. Okay, so this is the final layout. So I kept the washi and the banner, and I cut out some strips of the other washi, and it says, be grateful, give love, laugh lots, be you, live simply, and dream big. And that is some old washi I got from Tuesday One a couple years ago when they were doing the Smash Books. Corner pieces again, some of that washi, and again the washi, no, this washi didn't go with that Smash Book, but this one did, I know. Got some other corner pieces, some to tag the banner pieces, and that is the finished product. So anyway, that is this week's, which is February, January the 20th through January the 26th week of scripture writing based on my chronological reading of the Bible. And I hope that you are writing as well and meditating on the word. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing.